메이저리그에서 16홈런을 친 기아타이거즈 새 외국인 타자 해럴드 카스트로 홈런 모음입니다.
Harold Castro is grounded out to short. Deep right, gone.
One in each of the late innings. This one's a high fly ball to right, going back and gone. This is absolutely smoked by Harold Castro.
I just love that kind of defensive play. A long one off the bat of Castro, and that one is gone.
They still get the taxi squad.
Castro to deep center field. That ball is crushed and gone. What's gotten into Harold Castro?
Oh boy, he clobbers this one. That is deep and it's not playable. Harold Castro with a colossal 2-out, 2-run homer.
2-1. In the air, well struck down the right field line towards the corner, and that ball is gone. He's their best hitter this season, and Harold Castro, his 5th home run of the year.
시청해주셔서 감사합니다.